Do you need a professional guide on how to design any website? Even if you are studying computer science in the university, it is not guaranteed you will know the practical aspect of web design. In this case, what should you do? The answer is to learn from professionals. One thing I did while I was studying in the university is I enrolled for web design masterclass. The instructor of this masterclass is highly educated in his field. With his videos, audios, and online meeting, that is Zoom meeting, you will become a web developer before you even know. So I advise you to subscribe to his YouTube channel and follow him across all his social media handles to learn from his incredible teachings. For now, his website tutorial is free, especially the videos on his YouTube channel. My name is Samuel.
My name is Abundance. I found that attending Abdulrazak Masterclass website development was a transformative experience for me. The course provided a comprehensive and practical introduction to the world of website development.
Website design is the most critical task I had assumed earlier in my career, but Razak has helped me show me the nitty-gritty of website development. I am presently studying computer science at Federal Polytechnic Ida, but what I am learning from this guy is way more than what my lecturer teach me. You can learn with Razak on his YouTube channel for free.
Okay, Mr. Razak.
Yeah.
Can you tell me how people can get in touch with you to learn all these things?
Yes, people can get in touch with me on my website. Okay, I have different websites. I have fastnowa.com as I just talk about it recently. You can go there to learn website development and design, and also have a YouTube channel where I teach a step-by-step guides on how they can design and develop any website. My YouTube channel name is Abdulrazak. Okay, you can go to https youtube.com/ again Abdulrazak Yahya 01. Okay, the link is shown on the screen now. You can go there and also check the description of this video to know my YouTube channel link to go and subscribe. While you have subscribed, click the bell notification icon in order to get updated anytime we publish new videos on my YouTube channel. I like to publish videos one time in a week. Okay, and on my blog I post 2 times in a month about website development and design with guides, tips, and hacks you can succeed in creating an incredible website. And you can also like my Facebook page, Razak Yahya Facebook page. You can also like it and follow me on Facebook. That is it for me.